This is a brand new RX 6600 XT video card that I got at almost MSRP, and in this video I will tell you how I did it. Chances are that if you're watching this video, you have been considering purchasing a new GPU while at the same time watching in frustration the inability to find GPU stock and the idiotic scalp pricing that has been going on for almost 2 years now. Being on the same boat, I was looking for a new mid-range GPU and watched the situation from the sidelines and waited to see if prices would improve. And at this point, the trend seems to be that prices are slowly creeping down, but things haven't really gotten completely better. At least not compared to what MSRP used to be, and the wait has been too long. Still, even now, almost everywhere you look these days, stock is either gone or prices still remain too high. Scalper and miner bots are still an issue, and whenever any card becomes available at anywhere near MSRP, they're gone even before you are able to click and open a store web link. Needless to say, it's been quite difficult for us average Joes to get any graphics card at half a decent price. So, what can you do? Some people have resorted to installing or buying bots for themselves, taking the fight fire with fire stance, as it seems the only way to beat a bot is with another bot. This could be a solution for some, but it is certainly not for everyone, since it can be complicated or even daunting for someone that is not too tech savvy to install, configure, and maintain a bot. And the sad reality is that even with a bot, you may still come out empty-handed. So while I'm sharing the solution that worked for me, I first wanted to say that I am in no way affiliated or sponsored by these fellows. This is just the solution that worked for me personally. So with that said, my solution was joining a free automated stock alert community. If you have been consistently hunting for GPUs for the last 2 years, then you probably already know about stock alerts, and what I will discuss here won't be anything new to you. But for those of you who are new or may not know, I'll do a little explanation. Stock alert sites are made by people who run their own bots and have inside track methods to determine when new GPUs become in stock and immediately let their community members know when something they are looking for becomes available, so they at least have some chance of landing a successful purchase. You can check out the links in the description for where you can go directly to the stock alert sites and join. Once you join the community, they ask you to select which GPUs you are interested on, and they will provide you with alerts with a direct link to the online store to buy whenever one becomes available. Keep in mind though that this same link is shared with the rest of the community that is looking for that same GPU, so you will be on a race to purchase before the stock runs out. Also, the links that they provide are affiliate links, so they are earning a little slice for themselves whenever a purchase is made. Once you sign up and start receiving alerts, you will need to be patient. Not all links provided may be worth your while, as they are based on stock, not price. The seller sets the price and you will see that same price on the link you receive, which in many stores is still too high. My recommendation is that you set your goals beforehand. For example, which GPU you are looking to buy and how much money is the most you are willing to pay. I say this because once you receive a link that meets your criteria, you may only have a few moments to make the purchase before stock runs out again. The rest is just being patient and be on the lookout for your alerts to come in and be ready to act on a moment's notice. I had to be checking for a couple of weeks until I was able to grab an offer that met my criteria. One good thing is that stock is looking a lot better these days, especially for AMD cards, which are the ones that are selling closer to MSRP. These sites also have a paid service in which they send you priority links that, in theory, give you a better chance of making a successful purchase. But I didn't need to use it. Besides, even if you pay a subscription, you are not automatically guaranteed a GPU, and you'll still be competing with the other members that paid for the service. I was able to snag this 6600 XT from Best Buy using the free service and paid $429. And even though that's still $40 over the MSRP, it's still a much better deal than the over $600 that it's currently selling in many retailers and a lot closer to the card's real MSRP. Hopefully with stock and price improving, we may start to see the end of these frustrating shortages and prices going down to where they actually should be. Anyway, so that's pretty much it for now. feel free to check out the sites or join their Discord server, and best of luck to you in getting your hands on a fair price GPU in the near future. And if you have any questions, please write them down in the comments and I'll be glad to help where I can. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I was able to help some of you with new or useful information. I'll catch you again on our next video.